Streamlining your networking by focusing on finding your ideal clients and referral partners is really what Alignable's intelligent engine can help you achieve. Help you work smarter versus harder. Once you navigate to your Alignable profile, we're going to select the My Network tab up at the top of the screen. And if you have more than 5 connections, it will put you on the Connections tab submenu. So here we are automatically put on our featured person. But if I want to sort by my ideal clients or my ideal referral partners, I can click into those here. I'm going to focus on a referral partner because I want the opportunity to have 3 or 4 people referred to me as potential clients, spending the time to get to know one person versus just getting to know one person and hoping they're my client. So I see that these are all my connections. And for example, Monique, who I know very well, she has 9 of my referral partners. Now I can see all of the matches, or I can just click here into the referral partner. And it's going to show me all of the referral partners initially. If I scroll down further, it will start to show me all of her others. But I can see this Heather is a designer. Maybe I'm looking for a jewelry store, whoever it is that I am looking to get connected with. So I can browse them by looking at their profile. I can choose to send a direct connection request if I'd like, or I can click this Get Introduced button. And from here, our AI takes it and looks at all the profiles and gives a really good reason to Monique why I would like to be introduced to Barbara. Now, I know Monique better than using a prefabricated message, so I can take this and adjust it to whatever I want, hit send, and if Monique knows Barbara enough and thinks we'll be a good fit, she can choose to send an introduction and put me and Barbara in a group chat. So I can chat with Barbara before even using a connection request. You can do the same thing with your ideal referral partners, ideal customers. It's a great way to get to know people. Now, I mentioned also that we're going to look at this Discover tab. It's all the way on the right-hand side of that submenu. And these are my suggested connections. This is a great way to get to know people just at mass because these are power networkers here on Alignable. They're all highly recommended. They all have a ton of connections. They're going to be premium or premium plus, which means they are very likely taking this more seriously. Now, referral partner, I've got all of these referral partners based on those tags that I put into my profile. So here I can see all of these people and I can expand this to look pretty far down, or see more here and give the whole page of all of these. And then I can also start clicking into these tags to give me specifically, I want to know everyone who is interested in vintage. And from there, I've got all of these specific people that are all really interested in quote vintage. Now I can go by location, if I only want to do highly recommended, any of that, however you want to do it. And you can send these people connection requests. And that's an easy way to start filtering down and searching for your ideal clients and your ideal referral partners on Alignable.